Good Monday morning, Ore City Middle School. We have a few announcements for you. We'd like to remind you that next week, on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, we'll have our final days to return work, to turn in Chromebooks, calculators, clean out your lockers, all of those things. On Monday, will be grade 8. On Tuesday, will be grade 7. On Wednesday, will be grade 6. This will be from 10 to 4. We also want to remind you that if you have two students, a sixth grader and an eighth grader, you don't have to come 2 different days. You can go ahead and come bring them both on the same day. If you have trouble in this last week of work and you maybe need an extension deadline or something like that, contact your teachers directly. They can help you with that. For the last month, we've been working on our IXL contest, and I have the results of that. Everyone highlighted on this board in yellow will be receiving $10 Sonic gift cards. For Miss Agnew's class, Bo Shavers answered 740 questions. For Miss Kennedy's class, Brooke Bird with 641. Miss Johnson's class, Brittany Nunez with 340. In Miss Fowler's class, Hunter Norris with 936. The sixth grade answered a total of 19,252 questions. In Miss Ravelette's class, Sierra Solomon answered 1,290. In Miss Jones' class, Braden Lucas answered 835. In Mr. Marshall's class, Sierra Solomon again with 1,045 questions. Way to go. In Mr. Brown's class, Leslie Dominguez had 1,532. Wow, and I think she answered the most questions out of anybody on campus. That's amazing. Altogether, the seventh grade answered 23,624. In Miss Wynn's class, Michaela Knapp answered 677. In Miss Evans' class, Elias Jimenez with 514. In Miss Phillips' class, Israel Paluto with 246. In Miss Furlow's class, Zach Nations with 261 for a total of 52,786 questions. Great job. Coach Newsom's class, Bladen Reed with 1,028. And in Miss Bell's class, Bladen Reed again with 551 for a total between those two classes of 10,000 questions. Overall, in the span of a month, our students answered altogether 105,662 questions. Great job. Those of you that are at the top of each leaderboard, your $10 Sonic cards will be available for you during the locker cleanout days, or if you can't make it one of those days, we'll also have them during regular business hours for you. We've got another announcement about some rewards. We have our Rebel Rewards. Every year we collect points based on attendance, grades, discipline. At the end of the year, we try to make a Six Flags trip. Well, we didn't make that trip this year, but we wanted to continue to do something for the students that made it. So what we did is we took the students, instead of going through the fifth 6 weeks, we backed the points up to the fourth 6 weeks. We adjusted the point totals based on instead of being out of 5 6 weeks, out of 4 6 weeks. If you qualified to have the school buy your ticket, we got you a $10 Sonic gift card. If you qualified to go, but you were supposed to buy your own ticket, we got you a $5 Sonic gift card. So here are these things right here. If you'll look, here are the sixth graders, seventh graders, eighth graders. All of the students on here, Galia Abrego, Leonel Aguilon, Jeffrey Andrews, Sadie Burnett, Dawson Burks, Catherine Harris, Sandra Jimenez, Brittany Nunez, Kent Odom, Tadrian Thomas in the sixth grade. You've all got $10 cards coming. Brooke Bird, Kara Coppage, Katie Cunningham, Cynthia Dungy, Mazzie Hawkins, Parker Hobbs, Alexis Kaler, Chloe Montz, and Lucky Sultan. You guys all have $5 gift cards coming to you. Let me fix my spelling mistake right there. In the seventh grade, Aubrey Andrews, Aurora Ballou, Gage Kavanaugh, Leslie Dominguez, Michaela Knapp, Catherine Leonard, Alex Lester, Ryan Reichel, Josie Reynolds, Alex Spiegel, and Efren Ugaldi. You guys all have $10 Sonic cards coming. Alexis Wilson, Dalton Smalley, Dianelli Rojo, Taylor Roberts, Easton Pena, Maverick Main, Josh Lewis, McKenna Hardy, and Hannah Cox. You guys all have $5 cards coming. For the eighth grade, Philip Fry, Elias Jimenez, you guys have $10 cards coming. Monica Yarborough, Jaden Rowe, Brianna Ritter, Mackenzie Payrow, Abigail Glazer, Yvonne Garay, and Kenzie Watkins. You all have $5 cards coming. Guys, I'm very proud of all your hard work this year for getting this stuff ready to make happen. Um, I want to remind you that we miss you. We can't wait for you to be back on campus next year. We're already making plans to make next year better than this year was. So be looking at that, be thinking about that. Also be looking for, we're probably going to run another IXL contest this summer for the 6th and 7th graders, this year's 6th graders, this year's 7th graders. So make sure that you're paying attention and be watching for that. Guys, we miss you. We love you. God bless you. God bless Ore City. God bless Ore City Middle School. Thank you.